Welcome back to our Spring Framework series. This is the second video in our series. In the first video, we covered a brief introduction to Spring and why we need that, how to create a Spring project, and how to add dependencies for our Spring project. And today we are going to talk about a super handy tool called Postman, as you guys can see here. We'll create our first API request using Postman. So I have put the link in the description for you to download and sign up for Postman. Once you are done, the interface should look like this. You should create a new workspace to get started. Let me see you. Uh, Here you guys can hear workspaces and just click it, and here press this create workspace button, and after that you guys will see this window, and just press the next button, and just give a name to your workspace. I'll give test 2, and you guys can give a name whatever you want, and just press create after that. Now you have a workspace here, and you can create different types of HTTP requests, such as you guys can see here: get, post, put, patch, delete, head options likewise. And once you have created a request, you can send it to your server and get a response. That's the key main point of using Postman. And Postman shows you the response from the server, including the status code, headers, and the body. This helps you understand how your API is working. And I will give a brief introduction to status codes because it may be help your further developments in this project. And I'll first explain 200 OK status code. 200 means that the request was successful and the server returned the requested data, and you will see this status code when everything goes smoothly. And next one is 404 not found status code, and this indicates that the server couldn't find the requested resource. You might encounter this if you must type a URL, or if the resource doesn't exist. And the next one is 500 internal server error, and this status code means something went wrong on the server side, not in the client side. It's a generic error message for unexpected issues. Likewise, for next one is 401 unauthorized error. This status code means that the request requires user authentication. If you are not authenticated or your credentials are raw, you will see this code. And the next one I'm going to explain is 403 forbidden status code, and this indicates that the server understood the request but refuses to authorize it. That means you might see this if you don't have the right permission to access a resource, and that time that error occurs. Previously, I mentioned the folder structure and the files included in our Spring project, and now I'm going to create a new package called API, and inside that package I'll create a CustomerController.java class. And after that I hope to send a API request to our server and get a response back correctly without errors, I mean. So let's get started. As you can see here, there is a folder package called com.example.app3.post, and right click that folder and go to new Java class and just type api dot customer control likewise, and just hit the enter button. And inside this class I'll create 5 methods to handle basic CRUD operations. I'll create public void save customer and also one method for save, and here it's update, and here it's delete, and here it's get, and here it's get all customers. And I set the return type to this method to string, and I return customer saved, and here also I set to return type string, and I return update customer. Here also string, and I'll return delete customer. Like this, and this save customer method will handle saving a new customer to the database, and also this update customer will handle update details of an existing customer, you guys know, and get customer, or no, sorry, delete customer will delete a customer from the database, and get customer will retrieve the details of a specific customer using their ID, and get all customers will return a list of all customers. So now we have to map these methods with appropriate annotations and resolve a common error related to database configurations. And I can give here post mapping, because our save customer methods related to post mapping, and to the update customer method I use put mapping, and here delete customer I use delete mapping, and to the guest customer I use get mapping, and here also I use get mapping, and I have to uniquely identify these two methods. Because of that I put like here. Now it's okay. And after that I run this application to see what happens, and it is running, and you guys can see here what is the error occurs right now. It's saying that failed to configure a data source. URL attribute is not specified and no embedded data source could be configured. So this error occurs because Spring Boot needs the database connection details to configure the database, and they are not specified here yet. So now I'm going to specify those things. To specify that, come to